Don't forget to smash that like button on your way in, ladies and gentlemen. Just letting a few more people get in before we start this thing off. Check. Oh, comments. Guys, I think we might see a bounce on MGRM here pretty soon, man. Don't forget to share the link. Okay, let me send out this invite to the live stream really quickly, everybody. Just give me 1 second. Any certain stocks that you want me to go over, just let me know in the live chat, and I will happily go over those, guys. Shout out to La Familia for joining our YouTube membership. Also, Jason just recently joined. Shout out to you guys. Always leave comments. Really does show very, very great support. So I got to thank you guys for that. Set this on swag stocks really quickly. Market update. Now, post that. Got 3 people watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. And the live chat. There we go. Now let's check out MULN really quickly, guys. Like I told you in the earlier video, that MULN stands a 90% chance to fall back below $1 when as low as $1.01 here today. Now that fund flow is going to be extremely heavy here on the outflow, but we did see some nice inflow on that extra large and large scale early this morning throughout the trading day. But this huge drop here, guys, was done by aggressive short selling. It tells us this here in our capital trend. Expectations here for MULN, like I told you guys before, this thing will fall back below $1 for sure. But far as a reverse stock split, I don't see that happening anytime soon. Another stock, let's check out these hot stocks and check out our 5-minute ranking. Let's see what is moving and has potential for a nice get in, get out play. Let's check this one out really quickly. Let's look at it on the day chart really quickly, guys. This one may be, this thing's severely overbought. On the day chart it is. 5 people watching. How many likes we got here, guys? 5 people is kind of low. We tend to do much higher numbers than that. Pretty sure YouTube did not send out a notification for you guys to get here. YouTube is currently blackballing me for sure. If you guys came across, if you're a subscriber, didn't get this notification, let me know in the comment section below, guys. But I'm pretty sure no one got the notification. Now let's go back to this 15 here. Yeah, it looks like this thing going to break that 307 here pretty soon. Volume is, this is a low volume trade, stock day in and day out. Any other plays that is catching my attention? SDA has pulled up. MGRM, like I said before, that thing may see a push here pretty soon. Check out YS. This is one of those stocks that was seeing huge retail investor interest. Seems as though that things have died down a little bit. Oops. And also keep your eyes out on FTCH. We're right on that middle strike here on the 15-minute chart. If we do so happen to cross that, guys, this thing will be headed towards those $5.50 levels here on the day. Keep your eyes out on this play as well. If you're currently holding it, let me know in the comment section below as well. Another stock I want to go over really quickly with you guys is RIGL. Now, I believe that RIGL is headed back towards those $1.80 levels here next week, ladies and gentlemen. As you guys know, yesterday highs coming in at $1.96. It's a very great chance that we will be surpassing that later in next week. But it is safe to say that this thing will reach and breach those $80 levels early next week. Don't sleep on this play as well, ladies and gentlemen. RIGL. As far as NVIDIA goes, though, as you guys know, earnings report here. It's coming up here in NVIDIA, guys. A lot of people are speculating that it's going to be a very great earnings report. And I believe that it is true. I do see this thing seeing a 10% gain on that day as well. Another stock I want you guys to keep an eye out for, and that is Foot Locker. Today we did just see a massive drawback of over 30% here, guys, ladies and gentlemen. As you guys know, Foot Locker is a well-established company when it comes to shoes. So I do believe that this thing is these prices at $30 is a steal here in Foot Locker. I do believe by the end of the summer, this thing will be back at those mid $40 levels, between $40 and $50 comfortable. So this is one of those plays that you do not want to miss out on as well. Check out the live chat. No live chats just yet. Again, guys, don't forget to drop a comment in the live chat if you do want me to go over a certain ticker here in today's video. All you have to do is drop it in the live chat. But as you guys know, today was a terrible day overall for the market as a whole. Seems as though that this thing is going to get a little bit worse. Also, we take a brief look and check out our favorite artificial intelligence stock in the sector. We too are seeing slight drawback here. Now, I told everyone before the end of the summer, AI will be reaching and breaching those $30 levels with ease. This is one of those companies that is seeing huge buzz from the artificial intelligence rage and surge that we're currently undergoing. I do believe that that will continue, and we are not late to the party. As far as C3 AI, as you guys know, market cap slightly over 2.87 billion, and I believe that this company is worth at least $5 billion, which tells me it is currently undervalued. If you currently hold any artificial intelligence stocks in your portfolio, let me know in the comment section below, ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't already, please smash that like button on your way in, and don't forget to tell a friend that OBI is back at it again by simply sharing this video on StockTwitch top 5 trending stocks and or any social media platform you may have. Now, as you guys see here, this bid ratio is jumping all over the place. Continue to see some downtrend here on AI for the day. MULN stock, we did fall towards those scarce levels here today, guys, bouncing off $1.01. I know a lot of people were saying that MULN is about to undergo a short squeeze, guys. Please do not believe that. That is very, 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 very extremely far-fetched, and it still is today after, well, post reverse stock split. Yeah, I know YouTube ain't sent out my freaking notification for this video. That sucks, man. This is a reason why a lot of people are switching over to the platform Rumble, because YouTube tends to pick and choose who and what videos they like to push out there. If you subscribe to the channel, got all post notifications set to all, and you still haven't got this notification for this video, guys, that is a problem, and I believe I'm being blackballed. Now, sub-dollar levels here in MULN, if we're going to do it, guys, don't panic. Take advantage. One thing about this reverse stock split, shorts don't tend to like not like to short stocks under 10 cents. MULN was well under 10 cents, and now that it is back above $1, I do believe that we're going to see again some aggressive short selling done here in MULN. That's why I was letting everyone know this thing is headed back towards sub-dollar levels. Let everyone know this ahead of time. A few days ago, I let everyone know that this thing stands a great chance to fall back under $1, and you guys know I am a bull when it comes to MULN. Reason why it has a great chance to fall back under $1 is because the EV sector as a whole is seeing growing pains. It was inflated. Now it's starting to correct itself. Is MULN inflated? No, it is not. Current market cap under 200 million, guys. That is scarce. In fact, we dropped below 180 million here today. At this rate, MULN will be staring down the barrel of bankruptcy, and that's why a lot of people are saying as though that we may be seeing dilution here next month. And will that be devastating to the share price? Yes, it will. You have to take into consideration, guys, we got slightly over 30 million shares that can... Did that just change? No, I didn't. Yeah, we got a total of 100. We got about 30 million shares that MULN can actually have an initial offering and raise money, guys, especially at $1. They sold 3 million shares, well, 30 million shares at $1, which I don't think they're going to max out their dilution space at all. But they can, in fact, raise money that way. If we continue to see this downwards pressure, market cap dropping lower and lower, MULN will have to initiate a dilution phase sooner than a lot of people expect. And that's just me being honest, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of people tend to watch other YouTubers that give you a lot of false hope, saying that MULN is going to see a short squeeze, all this Lawrence Harge news. I even seen something on Facebook today that Lawrence Harge DM'd someone on Facebook and told them that that he is going to make the Saudis announce the announcement here later this month. Stuff like that, guys, I do not believe. It is very misleading. As far as that $10 billion deal, I don't believe it until it's set in stone, guys. I have seen MULN make a lot of promises. I've been here since MULN been listed in 2021 November. Okay, guys, I've seen it all. I watched MULN actually face itself throughout the year 2022, a year-long bear market. I've seen it all, and we're here today. I'm here to tell you guys this reverse stock split is going to change the outlook of the company, not even one bit. Now we have 11 watchers here in the video. If you're new to the video, let me know in the comment section, well, in the live chat, because I can't see the comment section right now. Let me know, guys, did you get a notification for this video or not? Especially if you have post notifications set to all. If you didn't, it's clear that YouTube is blackballing us. Again, that's why a lot of people are switching over to Rumble. Now, let's check out our active buys, well, our 5-minute ranking, and then we'll go off the bid size. We're just looking for a quick in and out play, ladies and gentlemen. Anything that you want me to look at right now, let me know in the comment section below, guys. I probably got like a good 10 more minutes here on live stream before my son actually wakes up. So let's go, guys. Throw some tickers at me. And shout out to those that did upgrade to our YouTube membership. You will be able to comment here in the live chats, so you will be able to tell me which ticker you want to speak about, ladies and gentlemen. That is also a perk of being a part of the Making Easy Money VIP YouTube membership. Okay, here XELA. Well, XELA is moving here on the 5-minute, but we like to watch the 5-minute to see what stock move the most here in that 5-minute interval. MULN just popped up. Um, but also you do want to look at that bid volume. You want that thing to be lighting up like a Christmas tree. If it's no bid volume moving at all, the stock is basically standing still or falling. We like to see those bid volumes. Bids are buys. Asks are sales, ladies and gentlemen. We want to see that bid lighting up like a Christmas tree. Yo, Jason, my boy is in the building. I'm happy that you made it to the live stream, Jason. I was just telling everybody how much I appreciate everyone that has been signing up for the YouTube VIP membership. Like I said, that perk allows him to drop a ticker here in the live stream and let me know, so I can review it for him and everyone that is watching. So shout out to Jason for that. Anything you want me to speak on right here? Quick, Jason, we got about a good 8 minutes left before my son wakes up. MTC. Short answer, yes. Someone commented. Short answer, yes. We will dish a shot. Nicholas. I think Nicholas just commented, just left a hard comment. Myself. Let me see. Yeah, Nick, I don't know what you're talking about if you're currently watching this. Let me check. See what video he commented on. Oh no, that was on the below $1 video I made this morning about MULN. I told you guys before. I know 100% fact we're gonna fall under $1. Am I gonna panic? No. Am I gonna take advantage? Yes, but timing is key. MULN performed the reverse stock split not to stay above $1. They performed the reverse stock split to regain compliance with the NASDAQ and buy themselves some time to get things right. To get cars on the road, to start up production, to still be listed in the NASDAQ. That was MULN's whole reason of. I told you guys this thing is slipping, huh? We were just at 15. I think this thing might see a short cover here tomorrow. And the reason being, I'm saying that volume is much higher than yesterday, right? But get this, look at this short sale analysis. This is why we saw a charge here this morning. Saw a nice, massive short cover wave. 46,000 shares were sold short. Correct, that isn't a lot, but when you see a closing price of $11.75 here, let's see that previous close really quickly. As you guys know, this thing closed here. We saw slow volume, but on an IPO day like this, guys, and let's go back to that short sell analysis. This is what I want you guys to keep track of. As you guys see that, like I told you before, anything over 9%, I consider that a aggressive short selling day. We saw some aggressive short selling here on day one. Did Jason write back? Hold on, let me pull it up really quickly on phone, Jason. TIO, I got you, Jason. Let's check out TIO. Are you holding? I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think Yoshi alerted this a few days back. If I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's get this 15-minute chart up for my boy Jason, ladies and gentlemen. As you got, ooh, nice bounce there at that 370. Ooh, I didn't see this yesterday. Let's put that fund flow on the date. Well, that's my son. Yep, he just woke up, ladies and gentlemen. I just heard him. So let's get this in. Okay, here on that Thursday, we saw that drop. Let me see those short positions here. Huge outflow, which was pointing to on that. Let's see the block orders. Block orders points to larger institutions and or hedge fund activity. You see a huge amount of. Oh, he did, huh? So yeah. It's all good, Jason. He ain't get the crying just yet, but I mean, let me finish out TIO for you. But as you guys see here, that drop right there would have really drew me into TIO. That 28% drop. Why didn't I Was why. Oh yeah, I was probably busy with my son. But today's inflow activity is pretty nice. Taking into consideration, we do see a battle between the extra large and large scale. Now, looking here at the recent short sale data for the last 5 days of trading, not including today, TIO sees a very, very aggressive short sale ratio. And that can actually backfire on shorts really quickly. One thing about short selling, guys, it is every single man for themselves, okay? You never want to be the last one covering. You always want to be the first one covering, okay? So anytime that a stock falls SSR, which it did here, we start to see a snowball effect in the short sale side of things. We start to see a snowball effect. Once that falls to SSR, they all start panicking to cover. That's what happened here. Huge covering, and then we saw some more shorting going on this uptick. Now, the situation that TIO is seeing here, slight covering going on, not major, okay? But seeing here that today's volume is at 7.66 million, coming off of yesterday's volume of 25.1 million. The day before that, 27.77 million. Days before that, staying around that 10 million volume range. It seems as though that today is going to be a low volume trading day for TIO in comparison to what we were seeing here these last 5 days of trading. But that isn't a bad thing at all, especially with a low turnover ratio as low as that. But get this, guys, if we take a brief look, check out our active buy here throughout the trading day. As you guys can see here, that active buy, Jason, that active buy is currently outweighing that active sale. It's a very great time for a continuation throughout the trading day. And we only have the intraday up, guys. But that is a very, very great sign of a continuation here throughout today's trading day. Not only that, if we continue to see that neutral starts to deplete and in favoring of the active buy, this thing will get out of hand here today, especially with those short positions lingering here. Get caught on the wrong side, this thing may start to see some circuit breakers to the upside. All right. So with that being said, guys, like I said, my son just woke up. It's time for me to get off this live stream. But again, guys, if you do want me to go over your tickers, all you have to do is sign up for the YouTube VIP membership. No problem, Jason. You know I got your back, man. Just sign up for the YouTube VIP membership so YouTube will be able to drop tickers in the live stream that you want me to review, ladies and gentlemen. Not doing that, you will only be subject to comment on the video and not the live chat, so I wouldn't be able to see that right away. I only can see that after the video is over. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you.